Hey, it's Michelle Butt, and it's time for another Fun Fact Friday. And today I wanted to expand a little bit on a concept that I had been reading about recently in an article that I read. It was talking about why facts don't change our minds. So in essence, someone can give you a fact and you may know it's true, but if everyone in your tribe or your community believes something else, then you may not subscribe to the validity of the fact because it would isolate you from your community. So in essence, we're very much community, tribal people as human beings. And even when we want to change our mind about something, if it's going to isolate us from our group, then chances are we'd rather be in the group than change our mind about something, no matter how convincing that is. So that got me thinking a little bit about how you can use persuasion skills and faces to help you move people into a new way of thinking or into your point of view, if that is your intention. So really, when we look at faces, every archetype kind of flows in a circle into the other archetype. So sometimes it's easier potentially for certain archetypes to get along or to understand each other than it is for others. So for example, sages and captivators can sometimes be a little bit at odds because captivators are very loud and excitable, and sages tend to be quiet and more introverted. And royals, because they're so environmentally sensitive, can be a little bit more introverted seemingly sometimes too. So sometimes sages and royals can connect and form a tribe that then can help them convince each other of things if they want to persuade someone. So you can use faces and how archetypes kind of see the world to help build resonance between people, to build a bond and a connection first, so that then you can accomplish your outcome of convincing them of something or helping them or trying to sell them something, etc. So remember that, and remember how faces can help contribute to the art of persuasion, because when people feel connected, when they feel part of a tribe, then it's easier for them to make a decision or change their mind, because then they're not going to feel isolated. And if they feel understood, then they'll want to make a connection, which then can lead to an outcome that might make them change their mind about something. So anyway, I will expand on this more in the future Fun Fact Fridays and in other things, because I think it's very, very important to understand how we build our connections and our relationships, the mentality of human beings as connected beings all around, and then how we can use facial intelligence to help us connect better, build stronger bonds, and persuade people when we need them to be persuaded to our point of view. So until next time, I'm Michelle Butt, and I will see you next Friday. Bye for now.